Budget home network router tip. There are some very nice cool looking but expensive routers available. With internal antenna or with 3, 4, or even more antenna. But if you have the router next to your desktop, why not use it as a mobile hotspot itself? All you need is to connect your desktop with the internet cable and a tiny USB dongle. Click on the network icon and insert the Wi-Fi dongle. Now enable the mobile hotspot option. Enter a name and password. You can connect up to 8 devices to the mobile hotspot. Right-click on Mobile Hotspot to go to the settings. Alternatively, you can select the Start button, then select Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Hotspot. Turn on sharing with other devices and be aware that the range is limited to about 10 meters or 33 feet. Or keep your router and use this tip if it ever breaks down. Thanks for watching, and please share.